Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search for journal articles using the Gale AcademicOnefile database. Before we begin, you want to make sure you have your Kings County Library card, since you'll need your library card number to access this database when outside of the library walls. To begin, we want to get to the database page. To do that, we're going to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. Next, we're going to navigate to the brown button labeled Research and click on it. Once we arrive at the Research webpage, we're going to scroll down until we see the table labeled Databases, and from here we're going to click the database titled AcademicOnefile. From this page, we're going to click the web link shown underneath the words Database link. And be aware again that if you're accessing this from outside of the library's building, you'll need your library card number to get access to this database. Since I've done that previously, I don't need to type in my card number for a second time. So we're at the home page for the Gale AcademicOnefile database. I want you to notice right here where there's a section for browsing by discipline. This is a good place to start if you're unsure of where to look for topics for your research. As you can see, there's a variety of subjects, so we're just going to click on environmental science, and I'll show you an example of the breakdown in reference to subjects versus subtopics. So as you can see by me clicking on environmental science, it brings up a variety of topics. And if I click on any of these topics underneath, it's going to open up articles having to do with that particular subject area. So for this tutorial, I'm going to look for articles related to climate change. And then press enter. So as you can see, it's bringing up a total of over 94,000 hits. And you'll also notice that it defaults to academic journal results. In addition, it by default selects full text articles, which is helpful versus bringing up abstract articles. Next, I'm going to utilize the filter your results options shown here. I'm going to start with document type. So when you click on the document type tab, this provides you with options to reduce the total number of results that you're seeing by type. So for this search, I want to look for an article, not a book review, not a brief article or essay. So I'm going to check the box in front of article, and I'm going to scroll down a little and then click apply. And then from here, we'll see that the results are reduced from 108,000 to 51,000. So to further reduce the number of articles that I'm seeing here, what we're going to do next is we're going to go click on the subjects button. And so subject brings up various types of related topics related to climate change. So for this tutorial, we're going to narrow it down to just articles related to climate change and water resources. So I'm going to click water resources, which is going to reduce it from 51,000 to 529,000. So now from here, what I'm going to do is one more thing, which is I'm going to type search within, which allows me to search for a specific phrase or topic within the 529 search results I see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Arctic and then just press search and see what happens. So it brings up one article. However, I could decide that I don't want that one particular article, in which case I'll press the X here, which will take me back to the 529 research articles that I found. Okay, so next I'm going to filter by publication date. So let's say that my assignment, I had to look for articles published within the past 5 years. So I'm going to click publication date, and I'm going to narrow down a publication time frame. So press the calendar button here, and we'll go back January 2015, and we'll do the 1st of January 2015, and then we'll go to today, present day, press the 7th, and then we'll press apply, and this should narrow down our topic results, our article results, from 529 to 385. As you can see, there's 385 articles to look at. So I think for this particular tutorial, I'm going to end it here. And then in my next tutorial, I'll show you how to look at the various article tools that are available when using a Gale database. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as check our Facebook account for future videos such as this one to assist you with your research needs. Thank you and have a good day.